Hello, Yinova community. My name is Elizabeth So, and I'm a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine at the Yinova Center. And today I wanted to share with you my all-time favorite acu hack. This is something that I've been doing for years and years. I learned it while I was in school for acupuncture, and it has been tried and true since then. I do it pretty much daily, sometimes multiple times a day. And it is my favorite way of lifting and reviving myself when I'm in an energy slump. It's a really great way of waking up in the morning, helping to sharpen my mental acuity throughout the day, and generally sort of boost my energy, both physical and mental energy. It's also a really fantastic point because it has the dual function of being both lifting and reviving while also having this sort of calming and regulating function. In Chinese medicine, all of our channels have directionality. So some of them go up, some of them go down, some of them wrap around, and this point is really, really great at modulating that function. So how I like to think about it is what should go up goes up and what should go down goes down. It's a point that's located at the top of your head right here. I'll show you how to locate it in a minute. And it's a really, really great way of helping to regulate particularly that sort of wired and tired feeling where you feel really exhausted, you feel burnt out, and yet you can't really relax. It's great if you feel like you're sort of overthinking, all the thoughts are kind of stirring around in your head and aren't really settling. So it's a really, really fantastic general point for regulation. And I would say that I personally do it most frequently when I find that I am in an energy hole.
To find this point, you're going to find the top of your ear and drag your finger to the top of your head. Make sure you're on the center line by putting your finger between your eyebrows and dragging it back. Then move your hand a little bit forward and back to find a dip at the top of your head. Where you find the deepest dip is your acupressure point.
So while I'm holding down this point, what I like to do is take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth, down into your abdomen, deep abdominal breathing. If you haven't seen my video on breathwork, you should check it out. It'll teach you how to take a nice deep abdominal breath. And you can close your eyes, you can leave them open, but just take a nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. And do this 5 times. Typically I recommend at least 5 times. Definitely feel free to do it more than that. And that will be a nice way of sort of resetting, reviving, and also giving you sort of nice, clean energy and mental focus.